As we age, maintaining strong and healthy leg muscles becomes more important than ever. For those over 60, leg muscle loss, known medically as sarcopenia, is a common concern. In fact, it's estimated that 10 to 20% of older adults experience this condition, leading to reduced mobility, a higher risk of dangerous falls and fractures, and even increased mortality. But what if the solution to combating leg muscle loss could start right at your breakfast table? This morning, take a closer look at what you eat, because the right foods, combined with smart lifestyle choices, can help you reverse the tide of muscle loss and reclaim your strength. To understand why breakfast matters, let's first consider the science behind muscle maintenance as we age. Our muscles rely on a constant supply of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair, rebuild, and stay strong. After the age of 60, our bodies naturally become less efficient at using dietary protein to stimulate muscle growth. This means that older adults actually need more protein than their younger counterparts. Experts now recommend that seniors aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. That's more than the standard adult recommendation, and it's especially important to spread that protein evenly throughout the day, starting with your very first meal. So, what should you reach for in the morning to give your leg muscles the best possible start? Let's explore the most effective breakfast foods and combinations for reversing muscle loss after 60. First and foremost, prioritize high-quality protein sources. Eggs are a classic option. One large egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline, both of which play roles in muscle function. If you're looking for variety, Greek yogurt is another outstanding choice. It's rich in protein, often providing twice as much as regular yogurt, and it also contains calcium and probiotics which support overall health. For those who prefer a savory start, lean meats like turkey or chicken breast can be an excellent addition to your breakfast. A few slices of turkey alongside your eggs or in a whole grain wrap can help you reach your protein goals. Fish, such as smoked salmon, is another powerhouse option. Not only does it supply high-quality protein, but it's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help preserve muscle mass and reduce inflammation. Plant-based eaters aren't left out of the equation. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, can be incorporated into breakfast in creative ways. Think a bean and vegetable scramble or a savory breakfast bowl. Nut butters like almond or peanut butter, spread on whole grain toast, provide both protein and healthy fats. And don't forget about seeds. Chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds can be stirred into oatmeal or yogurt, boosting both protein and fiber. Speaking of oatmeal, it's a breakfast staple that, when paired with the right toppings, can support muscle health. Start with plain, old-fashioned oats, and add a scoop of protein powder, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts and seeds. This combination turns a simple bowl of oats into a muscle-boosting meal. The complex carbohydrates in oats also provide sustained energy, which is important for staying active throughout the day. But protein isn't the only nutrient that matters. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and bone health, and many older adults don't get enough, especially during the winter months or if they're spending less time outdoors. Adding a glass of fortified milk, a serving of fortified orange juice, or vitamin D-rich foods like eggs and salmon to your breakfast can help meet your needs. Some people may require a supplement, so it's wise to check with your healthcare provider and have your vitamin D levels tested if you're concerned. Pair your protein-rich breakfast with a serving of colorful fruits or vegetables. Berries, oranges, or a handful of leafy greens tossed into an omelet provide antioxidants and micronutrients that further support muscle recovery and overall health. The fiber from fruits and vegetables also aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar, a key factor in preventing the muscle-wasting effects of diabetes. While breakfast sets the tone for your day, it's important to combine good nutrition with regular physical activity. Resistance training is especially effective for combating sarcopenia. This doesn't mean you need to lift heavy weights at the gym. Simple exercises like squats, leg lifts, or using resistance bands at home can stimulate muscle protein synthesis and help maintain or even increase your leg strength. Aim to include some form of resistance activity at least 2 to 3 times per week, and be consistent. Your muscles respond best to regular, ongoing challenges. Hydration is another often overlooked factor. Dehydration can contribute to muscle cramps and weakness. Start your day with a glass of water and continue to sip fluids throughout the morning and beyond. Herbal teas or water-rich fruits like melon can also help you stay hydrated. Beyond what you eat, consider how you eat. Try to have your breakfast within an hour or two of waking up, ensuring your body receives the amino acids it needs after the overnight fast. If you find you're not hungry in the morning, start with a smaller portion, perhaps a boiled egg and a few berries. Then gradually work up to a more substantial meal as your body adjusts. To sum up, reversing leg muscle loss after 60 requires a multifaceted approach, but it can start with your morning meal. Choose a breakfast rich in high-quality protein, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, fish, legumes, or nuts. And don't forget to include sources of vitamin D and plenty of colorful fruits or vegetables. Combine these dietary strategies with regular hydration and resistance exercise, and you'll be well on your way to stronger, healthier legs and a more active, independent life. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. With the right foods on your plate each morning and a commitment to staying active, you have the power to slow, stop, and even reverse leg muscle loss. So tomorrow morning, fuel your body with purpose and take the first step toward a stronger, healthier future. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video good and useful, save this video and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video.